Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to make a simple and a quick plantain chips recipe. Let's get right into the video. So we have our washed plantain, 2 plantain and a salt. You really need to try this recipe and I know you're going to love it. We will begin by peeling our plantain. So we go ahead and use our slicer to slice our plantain. With this tool, it is very easy and you can get the perfect shapes and sizes that you want. In a heated pan, add in your oil and 1 teaspoon of salt and stir gently. Always make sure your oil is very hot before you add in your sliced plantain. So I'll then go ahead and test one of it to see if the oil is heated enough. So you can see one of the plantain was floating. That means the oil is ready. So I'll then go ahead and add in the rest of the plantain. Stir and leave it to fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now our crispy homemade plantain chips is ready. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and please click on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video you'll be the first person to be notified.